Yes, I want to go over something. I was listening to one of my posts, and I was realizing that I mentioned that the lights from the stars traveling through a universe. That's not what I wanted to say. When we look up at the heavens, you're looking into our galaxy, and we see all the lights from the stars. The lights from the stars are traveling from the stars. The stars give off a light at 186,000 miles in 1 second. And the light from each star is being given off. But that light being given off at 186,000 miles a second to our galaxy suddenly makes a bend. The light makes a bend. And at that bend, at that speed, a sudden bend at that speed creates a tremendous amount of energy. And that energy is creating the entire reflection of the star. And that's what we see. We're seeing the reflection of stars at the bend that they make to our galaxy. It goes traveling at 186,000 miles in 1 second, and suddenly making an abrupt bend at that speed. There's a tremendous amount of energy at that bend. That energy creates the exact image of the star, which appears as a big white dot. That's what we see. I just wanted to clarify that. And the moon, again, I'll say that the moon is hit by the sunlight. And the sunlight, like the sun is traveling at 186,000 miles in 1 second. It hits the moon at that speed. So there's a tremendous amount of impact that the sun makes against the moon. And that impact is created the light from the moon being given off. The light bounces off the moon. The light from the sun hits the moon and bounces off. But it's bouncing off at 186,000 miles in 1 second. And there's a tremendous amount of energy at that bouncing off. That energy is giving off the light from the moon. And the light from the moon is traveling at 186,000 miles in 1 second, but it makes a bend to our galaxy. And at that bend, there's a tremendous amount of energy. And at that point, the whole reflection of the moon is being shown at that bend. And that's what we see. We see the bend that the light of the moon is making at 186,000 miles a second.